Stop it! Help! How do you know if you have jaw tension? You might have it and not even be aware of it. And if you do have it, how do you let it go? But first, thank you for all your comments and amazing love from last week's video. I so appreciate it. We're going to Argentina. Maria wrote to me from Argentina. Hi Maria. And she wrote saying, Laura, thanks for all the amazing action ships. Always has great impact on me. On this occasion, I would like to ask you any suggestions from people who suffer from
bruxism.
Can you help? So I didn't know what bruxism was. Voluntary habit of clenching or grinding tooth structures without functional purposes. Ow. So you might actually notice that your jaw becomes more relaxed by the end of this video, and you're going to see that is going to make a big impact on everything you do. So, step number 1. What I want you to do is notice your jaw, and then I want you to relax it. So relax your jaw right now. Relax your jaw. Relax your jaw. Come on, do it. Didn't I tell you to relax your jaw already? Okay, so if you noticed your jaw tightened up. So number 1 is stop watching YouTube videos made by stressed out people with a tight jaw. Next, I'm going to use this little guy again. Hello. What goes in here? The brain. Pop. We're going to tap out our cortices right now. It's balancing the brain. Your brain is bigger than this brain. Get your brain to talk to itself, to improve its picture of not only itself but also of your jaw. We're going to do the cortices technique, so we're going to be using our hands and a simple tapping to basically get the brain to switch itself back on, or if it's getting too distracted on too many different things. And we're going to help bring it back to parasympathetic growth and healing out of fight or flight. So when you had a tense jaw, you might notice you're in protection mode. You're in am I going to run or am I going to fight mode. That isn't going to help us to heal and grow. So we're going to bring you, or you're going to bring you out of fight or flight, back into growth and healing, and we're going to get that to link to your
Jaw.
So, one hand, the back of your head, and you're going to tap with the other hand. You're going to breathe, and then you're just going to rub down your jaw on either side. And then you're going to move your hand to the next position, so keep tapping. So you started at the back here, and we're working our way over the whole brain. And then we're going to put at the end our hands on the sides. So keep tapping, keep breathing. So you're tapping on the head and the heart and melting down the jaw. This is your image of melting. We made it to go with this cake. It smells really good too. Is that helping you imagine melt? But the cake was a disaster. Keep tapping, keep breathing, and keep melting your jaw. Melt. The hands on the side of your head and breathe. Melt. Melt. And you're going to melt down the sides. And again, hands on the side of your head. Hopefully I won't be rubbing chocolate sauce down my face. Melt down those jaw muscles. Melt. And just move your jaw side to side. Can you relax your jaw and your hands? And I decide to melt and breathe. And just notice how you feel. Hopefully you notice the relaxation in your jaw, maybe also the relaxation in your brain, the relaxation in your body, and you may notice your thoughts have vanished. So Maria, let me know how that feels. Let me know if that helps release some of that tension around your jaw, and I'm imagining you right now with a nice relaxed jaw. And everybody else in the planet who is not Maria, make sure you also let me know how that feels. So don't be shy. Please write me a comment. Please share this with your friends and share it with the most, tense-jawed person you know. So there we are. That's where the action ship took us this week. I am going to pack now because tomorrow I'm flying to LA to meet Eric. Hooray! So that's where we'll be next week. Are you excited? And make sure you come over to laurahaimsfranklin.com and sign up for all my yummy things. I'll send you some chocolate sauce. It's really good. And that's it. Share it with your friends and write me a comment. Bye! I said, any idea where the lower jaw is? And he said, no, but you can use mine. I have one. But he sent me a picture. See? Oh, the wonder of technology. Ow.